Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 11 or later, and camera access is enabled, because the built-in scanner relies on the camera app. Now position the QR code so it fills about 1/3 of the screen. You don't need to tap anything. Once the code is clear, the phone will detect it automatically. If you have multiple codes nearby, move closer and steady the phone to avoid scanning the wrong one. When the camera recognizes the QR, you'll see a small notification banner at the top. Tap it to open the network card. You're seeing the SSID, security type, WPA2, WPA3, or open, and sometimes a hint about password presence. This tells you whether a password will be auto-filled. Make sure the SSID matches the network you intend to join, because similar names can cause confusion. If everything looks right, proceed by tap join and wait a few seconds. Your iPhone will attempt to authenticate using the credentials embedded in the QR. If it connects, you'll see the Wi-Fi checkmark next to the SSID. If you're prompted to enter a password, the QR likely lacked credentials or used an unsupported encoding. Enter the password manually. If the scan fails, retry by refreshing the QR. Ensure the code uses standard Wi-Fi vCard/hotspot encoding. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or restart camera and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.